Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of a surprisingly weak American jobs report. Markets were expecting job growth of 160,000, but they only got 38,000. They did get wages rising at 2.5% and a lower unemployment rate of 4.7%, but they also got a marginally lower participation rate, which was unexpected. Whether this is a rogue survey or the real thing is hard to tell, but it is an unpleasant surprise. Equity and currency markets took it in their stride, but the bond markets did react. The open question is whether the US Fed thinks it is real or rogue. Will it change its policy track? They will decide Thursday week. Earlier today, Janet Yellen said that despite the disappointing jobs report, interest rate hikes are coming because positive economic forces have outweighed the negative for the United States, and that risks from abroad earlier this year have diminished. What the market does not know is whether all this means things have been pushed back or are still on track for 2016. In Switzerland, a major test of the universal basic income concept has fallen well short. It was put to a referendum there over the weekend and it lost 3-1, a resounding defeat. In India, the reappointment of their central bank governor is a major issue. Some politicians there have called for him to be replaced because he has raised the value of the rupee as a way of containing rampant inflation. Others see his term as having done an incredible job. If he is replaced, markets are unlikely to view the move positively. In New York, benchmark US Treasury 10-year yield fell sharply after the non-farm payrolls report, dropping 10 basis points to 1.71%. Today has bounced back a little, currently at 1.73%. That shift will echo today in local wholesale interest rate swap markets. The oil price is little changed, however, with the US benchmark just over $49 a barrel and the Brent benchmark just over $50 a barrel. The gold price surged $35 an ounce on the US jobs report, now at $1,244 an ounce. And finally today, the New Zealand dollar will start today higher against the greenback at 69.3 US cents, is at 94.1 Aussie cents and 61 euro cents. The TWI is at 72.7. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.